One git push should build the app, create a container image, push that image to a registry, deploy to AKS, and verify the rollout. That is the workflow in this video. This is different from the earlier Azure DevOps backlog automation video on the channel. Here we are doing CI/CD deployment to Kubernetes. The basic architecture is simple. Source code lives in the repo. Azure Pipelines builds and tests it. Azure Container Registry stores the image. Azure Kubernetes Service runs the workload. If you understand those 4 stations, the YAML becomes much less mysterious. First, package the app. Kubernetes does not deploy your source folder. It deploys containers. Your Dockerfile should be boring, repeatable, and small enough to build quickly. If the app cannot run in a container locally, it will not magically become stable inside AKS. Azure Container Registry stores the image. Tag every build with a real version, usually the build ID or commit SHA. Latest is convenient for DMOS, but weak for production. A rollback is only easy when you know exactly which image version was deployed. Kubernetes manifests describe desired state. How many replicas? Which image? Which ports? Which resource limits? Which service exposes the app? Which ingress routes traffic? Keep the first version readable. Do not hide every important decision behind a magic template before the team understands the deployment. The Azure DevOps YAML should be boring. Build, test, push to ACR, deploy to AKS. Microsoft provides AKS deployment templates and Kubernetes environment support, but the same principle holds. Every stage should have one job. If the pipeline fails, you should know which station failed and why. Do not hardcode credentials in pipeline YAML. Use Azure DevOps Service connections. Prefer managed identity where it fits. Store application secrets in Key Vault or a controlled secret store. The pipeline should have only the permissions it needs to build, push, and deploy. Convenient admin credentials become expensive mistakes. After deployment, verify the rollout. Check pod status. Check logs. Hit the health endpoint. A green pipeline is not the same as a healthy application. If pods are crash looping, if the image pull fails, or if health checks are wrong, the deployment is not done. To recap, AKS deployment with Azure DevOps is a controlled conveyor belt. Code goes in. The pipeline builds, tests, creates an image, pushes to ACR, updates AKS, and verifies the rollout. Keep it boring, versioned, and reviewable.